Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Executive Inn and Suites. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located at the foot of the Warner Mountains within walking distance of the Lake County Fairgrounds, this Lakeview hotel provides free Wi-Fi and rooms with kitchenettes. It serves a daily continental breakfast. Guest rooms at Executive Inn and Suites feature a cable TV and a kitchenette. The kitchenette includes a refrigerator, microwave and tea and coffee making facilities. The daily continental breakfast at Executive Inn consists of coffee, doughnuts and juice. A vending machine featuring drinks is located on the grounds of this hotel. Fax and photocopying services are available. Swimming pool City Park is within 5 minutes walk of Executive Inn and Suites. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.